Hi guys and girls, dctmakes here. Common problem. Come back to your silicone gun or whatever caulk gun you got, and it's gone hard in the tip. Couple of ways of getting it clear. They don't always work. You can some of these you can dip the tip in some warm water and alleviate it. We're going to try the screwing method and alleviate it from the edges method. So first off, there we go, pushing, it's not coming out. One of these possibly works. So first of all, get a piece of wire or needle punch, something like that, put it in along the edge of the plastic. Don't try and dig into the center of it, just break it up into pieces. Just run around the outside, just pull it off the edges, because it's, even though it's not supposed to stick to this plastic, it will somewhat. And all I'm doing is going round, and I'm going to put a little tiny bit of pressure on it in the gun. And it depends how far it's hardened down. If it's all the way down, yeah, you can work at it, but I do this, and then I take the screw, screw the screw down in it, try and keep it somewhat near the middle, and then you can start pulling it out. The nearer you get that screw to the middle, the better. And then just pull out. It's like a little saw. Put a little bit more pressure on it. And the thing you want to do is you want to put this in here and you want to like try and hook it or something. That's not going to work. That's just going to puncture this. So take your time with it. Don't put a gun on the end of here and wind it in. Do it with your fingers. Right, then loosen it up a little bit more. Now the length of time it's going to take you to do this depends on how far it's set down inside. Here's real time. I need to use this now. I've got a piece in the shed, so it was like, hey, share what you learned, right? Just gentle pulling. And this one's gone way down. All I'm doing is pushing along the walls now, not trying to break it up in the middle. And then all of a sudden, you see fresh stuff. You can do that one more time. Especially if you've got a lot in the gun. It's not really worth it if there's hardly any left in the gun. and pulling it fast, pulling it real slow. A little weight back on the end of the gun, kind of shunt the stuff up a little bit. There's fresh stuff behind it obviously, but there's still a little bit of a plug. And the pressure of the good stuff is going to keep that like the almost like a cork pushed towards the front so you can grab a hold of it again. And there's the good stuff. Relieve the pressure off it. And it's done. There you go. There's lots of other ways of getting them out of there, prying it out. But if you take your time with it rather than trying to bang it out, you'll be able to move the plug further and further towards the front. That's it. Today's stupid tip. DCT makes out. You guys have a good Sunday. Bye.